Okay, so you've went into Excel, you've entered all 7 days data for temperature, humidity, wind speed, and pressure. Now it's time to make your 4 graphs. I'm going to show you how to make one, and then you can go back and watch the video if you have questions, or you can ask me to make your other 3. So I'm going to show you how to make a line graph using our temperature data. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into your Excel sheet and highlight all the data for temperature. So I'm going to highlight by clicking and dragging. I'm going to highlight date, temperature, and all my numbers so that they are shaded in. Once I have them highlighted, that's going to tell the computer that that's the only numbers I want on my graph. Next step is to enter my graph. So up on this part, this is called the ribbon. Up on the ribbon you have some options like Insert, Page Layout, Format. Graph is under Insert. So I'm going to insert a chart, and I have all these different options. So there's column or bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, scatter plots, and so on and so on. Since we're looking at a series of data that's going to rise and fall because the temperature goes up and the temperature goes down, we're going to want to use a line graph. So I'm going to go in, click line graph, and just choose the first one. I can choose one that doesn't have points or one that does. It really doesn't matter, it's kind of up to you. I'm just going to use this first one, first option on there. And when I click it, the computer magically makes a graph for me. So it's a beautiful graph that is labeled. It has a y-axis label and an x-axis label. It has a title, and it has this nice straight blue line. This is a lot better than anything I could do with a paper and a pencil and a ruler. So I'm thankful that we have computers to make graphs. There's some other things I'm going to show you how to go in and change about your graphs, but that's another video. So your job right now is to make 1, 2, 3, 4 graphs, and you can just stack them all on the one sheet here. So if I add my humidity graph, oops, wrong button, I can move these charts around so that I can still see what's going on. So my humidity, wind speed, and pressure. I'm going to put all my graphs just on one page. So go ahead, go in and make all 4 graphs.